Hello everyone, welcome back to Optitude. So if you are engineering or an MBA student graduating in the 2026 year and you are looking for a career changing internship, then this opportunity is for you. Salesforce it is hiring for the solution engineering intern, so for their intern program 2025. So in today's video, I will be covering you what is the Salesforce solution engineering internship, who can apply for this internship, and what you will learn and do in this internship, and what are all the benefits that you will be getting from this internship, how to apply for this. So make sure you watch this video till the end because I am going to discuss all the things whatever I showed before. Okay, so do watch it till the end. So before moving ahead, if you are new to this channel, so make sure to subscribe to our channel. So where you will get the content which is totally related to the job openings, internship openings, free courses, hackathons, scholarships, and a lot more content uploaded in this channel. So make sure to subscribe to our channel. So now let's start the video. So first off, let's talk about what is the Salesforce Solution Engineering Internship is all about. The Salesforce Solution Engineering Internship, it is a 2 months paid internship program where it is starting from the May 2025 to July 2025 in the locations of Mumbai and as well as Bangalore. Okay, so it is designed to train and develop the students in the technical, consulting, and problem solving skills, where you will be solving the real world business problems and providing efficient solutions for your customers. So as a solution engineer, you will be basically learning about the Salesforce technologies and consulting solutions, and also you will be working with the teams on the real world business projects. And also after doing all of these, you will be earning official certification like Salesforce certified administrator. So where by this you will gain hands-on experience in designing and developing and building the efficient solutions for the Salesforce customers also. And the best part it is, if you perform well, you will get a chance to join the Salesforce graduate program after the internship also. So now let's talk about the what is eligibility criteria for this internship to join here. Okay, so to apply for this Salesforce internship, you must meet this above following criteria. So I will be going one by one. So do watch this video carefully. Okay, so you must be a pre-final year student graduating in 2026, whether it may be engineering or engineering plus MBA. So you must have a 0 to 30 months of full-time work experience. So it is mandatory. There is no experience that is required. So if you have it is okay. It should be less than 30 months. Okay, and you must be fluent in English as I told. It should be communication should be very fluency, and you should have a strong interest in the technology, consulting, and problem solving skills. So you should have a ambitious in the proactive and also strong team player. So these are the things that you must have. So if you meet this criteria for this internship, you are all in. Now let's talk about what is that actually that you will be doing as a solution intern for this in a Salesforce. So as a solution engineer, where you will be structuring in the learning framework, like you will be trained in a Salesforce cutting edge technologies, and you will also earn official industry standard Salesforce certification like Salesforce certified administrator. And you will work with the clients, real clients, where understanding the business challenges, what are all the problems the clients are facing, and you will be providing the very efficient solutions for the clients, where you will develop innovative solutions, basically we can say. And also you will learn how to design, build, and configure the Salesforce solutions for the real customers. And also you will solve the business problems and adding the measurable value for the clients. You will get the networking and mentorship opportunities from the Salesforce also. So this internship gives you hands-on experience on working in the top tech company like Salesforce. Okay, now let's talk why should you apply. That is the benefits of this program. What are all the things that you will get. So first, you will be working at the Salesforce, one of the world's leading cloud-based software company, and you will gain a real-world experience in the both technology and as well as consulting field. Okay, and you will earn industry recognized certificate that is Salesforce administrator. Okay, and we work with the clients, real clients, and solving the business challenges. What are all the following, and you will be giving efficient solution for the where it is an innovative solution for the clients. Okay, and you will develop invaluable network connections within the Salesforce community, and you will have a chance to convert the internship into a full-time role also. So this internship is a game changer if you are serious about building a career in the technologies and business consulting as well. Now how to apply for this? So it is very simple. So the link in the description box, so when you click on that link, you will get redirected to this page, and you can simply press on apply now button. You can apply for this role. So make sure your resume highlights some of the relevant skills and the coursework and the projects that are mandatory. They did not at all mentioned over here. If you have some of the knowledge in the engineering field or in business consulting field, so if you mention in the resume, so that the selection, the shortlisted chances may be increased in the thing. The pro tip from my side, that is mention any certification, technical project, hackathons, or consulting experience as I told in your resume to increase some of the chances of selection. Okay. Now I have a question for you. Are you applying for this Salesforce internship or not? and what excites you the most about this program. Comment down this both answers for the both above questions. So also, if you found this video helpful, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to opportunity and for more updates. So I will see you in the next video with the biggest opportunity, and good luck with your application.